It's 9:12 and we have a traffic alert for the I-17. The freeway pretty much just shut down at this point. This is I-17 southbound at Rose Garden. Rose Garden is just north of the Loop 101. It's tough to see the scene because of the overpass here, but just behind the overpass, ADOT says there is a rollover accident. They expect the I-17 to be shut down for some time. They do not have a time estimation as to when the freeway will reopen. One right lane is barely scooting by, and actually that's not even a lane for I-17. Those are the transition lanes to the Loop 101. I highly recommend that you avoid the I-17, or if you come down the I-17, maybe you're watching us from Carefree Highway, you live along that roadway there, or from Anthem, jump off the freeway, Pinnacle Peak, maybe even earlier, Happy Valley. Depending on what side you need to go on, you know what roadway you need to take. But at this point, I-17, again, southbound side shut down here at Rose Garden.